Check mo muna kung baka 1.5 pa rin.
My wife is doing an unboxing of a new little device. Check this out.
Oh, it's 256, Joe. Open na. Adapter mo?
Which iPhone is that?
This is iPhone 15 Pro Max, 1 terabyte.
I missed that. Let's see that again. That smile.
This is iPhone 15 Pro Max. So,
Is that your new baby?
yeah, it's really nice. I tried to open it here.
You need to check first the physical condition ng another site.
Ito pala.
Yes.
Kung alam ko lang magbablog, sana
Does it come alive? Does it
Long
actually?
press.
Oh, it works. It works.
Yeah.
iPhone 15 Pro Max. Nice. Nag-vlog na yung asawa ko. Hello!
Oh, hello. It's talking to you already.
Yeah, I said hello to you. Different ano.
Hola.
I think it's
Hello.
Chinese or something.
Chang Sao. Nutsu.
Husband.
Check his own eyelash.
So, ito ngayon si Kuya nag-focus. Nagpo-focus maglinis ng muna maglagay ng temper. Yan, hindi ko na siya in-unboxing dito na lang para matry na din.